Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPPI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, both Thursday and then Friday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice bounce. And in order to better illustrate this, because of that gap down, it's kind of thrown off the proportions. So I'm just going to do that, and that way we can see, the bounce becomes much clearer to see. Like I said, I think any rational person would say, yeah, from where the price was to where it ultimately closed right here, that was definitely a good solid move. But that does lead to the question now of, but is there any sort of true genuine strength behind this? Is there any sort of power, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area down here at $6.80. Now, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly, I agree. So with that in mind, think about 680. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this low down here. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase progress once more as $6.80. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers were hanging out at, pretty straightforward right now, right up there at about $7.75. If you go back through the history of things, you can see that, going back to Thursday, the price got right up around that area and rejected. And then you fast forward to Friday today, and you can see that the price was once again rejected. So I'm not saying 775 can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle up around that area. And apparently, according to the story that the chart is telling us, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to fight above that level next week. But anyway you look at it, very nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.